Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up a hidden sales funnel inside your WordPress website that can generate additional income for your online business without the need to increase your current traffic volume. Let me show you what I mean. Most probably you will have a lead generation or an opt-in page or a squeeze page inside your WordPress website where you are asking people to add their name and email address in exchange for a free lead magnet or a freebie, something like a checklist or a PDF. And once they add their name and email address, they will be redirected into a thank you page like this. This is a typical lead generation funnel. However, you can capitalize the thank you page and turn this thank you page into a starting point of a sales funnel. Let me show you what I mean. So instead of redirect people to this thank you page, you can redirect people to a thank you page just that looks like something like this, where you can still thank people for signing up for your checklist or free PDF or offer or whatever free lead magnet you are using. And then you can upsell them for an ebook or maybe a mini course or even a coaching session with yourself by giving them a huge discount for something that you are already selling. Or even you can create a new offer specifically for the people who signs up for your free lead magnet. Once they land in this page, of course, you need to have like a convincing copy, an image of your product or something they can touch maybe or can feel in this online space. And once they are convinced of your copy, they will just click this buy button and they will be redirected into a beautiful looking checkout page like this. Of course, you can design this checkout page to whatever you want. Again, they will have access to the full price of this ebook or even an online course. They will need to add their name and email address and just place the order or click buy now. Of course, you can connect this with your Stripe or PayPal, but I'm using the offline cash on delivery method just to make this quick. So once they do this, they just click place order or buy now, of course, and then you will be redirected into another thank you page that contains their a summary of their order, or maybe and also a link for the ebook. If you are selling ebook, of course you can. If you are selling an online course, a mini course, you can add the instructions about how they can access this online course in this page. As you can see, I always call this the hidden sales funnel because you can set up this in at least or just like in 2 hours of your time today to add or to generate additional income for your online business by capitalizing the current traffic volume of your website. Let me show you in this video how you can do this. But before I show you how you can do this, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel because this video is part of my 100-day video challenge where I publish a video on YouTube every single day for 100 days. So your subscription will be a great support for me during this challenge. Now let me show you how you can set up this hidden sales funnel for your WordPress website. In order to set up this hidden sales funnel, you need to install and activate 2 WordPress free plugins. The first one is called WooCommerce, which is the most popular plugin to sell digital and physical products inside WordPress. And then CartFlows. The job of CartFlows is to make the checkout process very easy for your customers. You need to install both plugins in order to set up this hidden sales funnel. Once you do this, you need to create a product for your ebook or an online course. In this scenario, I'm taking the ebook as an example, but still you can do this if you are selling an online course after you have set up this online course using maybe something like LearnDash or Tutorial MS. But for this particular video, I'm using the ebook as an example for this hidden sales funnel, or what sometimes some people call it like easy money sales funnel. So once you install and activate the WooCommerce plugin and the CartFlows plugin, now you need to create your product. You can easily do this by going to Products tab and then click Add New. And here you need to add a few settings. The first one is the product name. So let's call this like productivity ebook. And then you need to add a price. So let's give this like 25 or 27, sorry, and then click downloadable. And here you need to add a link for your file. So let's add a file and let's choose the file from our media library. And this is the file that I need to sell as an ebook. The last step that you need to add or to make is to add a product page. So let's call this like set a product image from here, or sorry, a product image, and let's choose this image. Now let's click publish. So this is all what you need to do inside WooCommerce. The rest will be done inside the CartFlows plugin. Once you do this, let's go to CartFlows and click home first. This is the home page of CartFlows, and you'll have some tabs like flows, store, checkout, settings, and templates. The CartFlows developers have given us some beautiful looking templates. Some of them are pro and some of them are like free templates. Of course you can use this, but I'm going to show you how you can create one from scratch. You can use Elementor, Beaver Builder, Thrive Architect, or Breezy to set up your templates. So to set up a funnel, it's called inside CartFlows, it's called flows. So let's go to flows and click add new and start from scratch. And let's give this flow or funnel a name. Let's call this like a ebook sales funnel. And let's click design your flow. Once we do this, now we have all of our funnels pages. We have a landing page, a checkout page, and a thank you page. First, let's go to the sales page. So let's click like edit to design this sales page. Here you will have two options or two tabs, the design tab and the settings tab. Here you can change this slug, maybe something like ebook sales, or even something like ebook thank you page. This will show up in the URL, and then click save settings. Also, you need to take a note or copy the shortcode or the link, because this is the link that will be add or inside our button. So let me just copy it and save it inside this notepad. And here, of course, you can add some custom scripts, maybe something like Facebook pixel or something like this. Now our sales page is ready to be designed. So let's click design and let's click edit design. And here we need to add the content of the page. I'll start by adding a thank you page. For the design, I'll be using the Spectra Pro page builder. But of course, you can use Elementor page builder, Thrive Architect, Breeze, or Beaver Builder, or your preferred page builder. So to do this, I'll be adding a container. So I just click here and add a container, one page container or one column container. And then I will be adding a heading and add my thank you message here. Then I will click the three dots and click insert after, and also add a paragraph and add my like a special offer announcement. And let's change this to be a heading, and let's increase the size under style, under typography. Let's make this like 35, and let's center align it like this. Now we need to add another container. It will be a 2-column container, and here I'll be adding the image of my product. So let's choose image, and let's go to the media library and let's add the image here. And here I'll be adding a heading and also some text. So let me quickly add these. So I have just quickly designed something like this. I'm sure that you can make this better with your page builder. So the last step that we need to make inside this page is to add a link for the checkout page, which is the link that we have copied before, which we have taken from the next step link inside the sales page settings. So let me again copy this here, and let's go to the button and let's add it inside this box. So let me add it here and let's click update. So now this sales page is ready to be used. Now let's go back again to our flow. Here we need to assign a product. As you can see, if you haven't assigned a product inside the checkout page, it will say like no product has been assigned. So let's click edit and let's go to products and click add a new product, and let's search for our ebook and let's choose this productivity product and let's click add product. And here we can add our like discount. So the original price is 27. I like to give them a discount for the price for like the discount like $20. So now the discounted price is $7. Now we need to click save settings. Of course, you are being upsold to buy the pro version, which is another amazing plugin. I mean, it adds additional features like order bumps, upsells, downsells. But for this scenario, we're just using the free plugin. So now we have added our product. Let's go to the flow page. Let's go to the flow again. We need to, this is the ebook sales funnel flow. Let's go to the checkout. I like to go to the edit again, and let's click design, edit design. Here we need to add the checkout page itself or the checkout form itself. To add it, I will just choose to add another container, 1-column container, and let's click here and let's search for checkout. This is the checkout form. It's added here. And for the checkout, I mean, as you can see, we have multiple fields here. We will get rid of most of these fields here, but there's one step that you need to do here, which is under the input field skin, you need to choose the layout. You need to choose the 1-column checkout to make this checkout form just 1 column. And let's click update. Now, as you can see, we have multiple fields here that we don't need. You can definitely get rid of this field by going back to the step itself. You'll find a form fields tab. You click here and you choose enable custom fields, and you can hide all the fields that you don't like. So I don't like to have the company name, the country, all of these I don't need to have them. I just need the email address. So let's move this email address here. And you know what? I don't need the last name as well. Let's click save settings, and let's view the page again. So let's go to design and let's view the page again. So this is the checkout page. If you like, you can get rid of the coupon code by going to, let's go to the form fields and let's uncheck the coupon fold and all of these fields. Let's click save settings and let's refresh the page. Now the buyers need to add their name and email address. If you like to have the name and email address in the same line, you need to change the size of these fields inside CartFlows. Again, you go to the first name field, and for the field width, make sure it is 50%, and for the email address, make sure it is also 50%. And let's click save settings and let's click update. And now our checkout page is ready. Again, you can, or as I mentioned, you can connect this with your Stripe or PayPal, but this is done inside WooCommerce settings. If you like me to make a tutorial about the most important WooCommerce settings, please leave me a comment below. So now let's this checkout page is ready. The last step that we need to make is to design our thank you page for the order itself. So let's go back again to CartFlows. Inside this CartFlows, let's click here refresh first to make sure that we are working in the right pages. So this is the thank you page. Let's click edit. So let's edit in a new tab and let's click edit design. And here I think we need to add two things, the order summary and also a link for the file itself, because I'm selling an ebook. So let's add a container and let's call this a 2-column container, and in this container let's search for order detail form. So this is the order summary. It will contain the summary of the order. And here let's add a file widget and let's upload our PDF. This is the PDF. So it will look like something like this, and people can have access to download the download button once they buy the product. Let's click update. Now our funnel is almost ready. What you need to do now is to add the thank you page, or to link the opt-in form to the first sales page of the funnel. So you need to view with this page. So let's view with this page, and let's take this this URL. Of course, you can design this page. Let me fix this. So let's click edit. I don't know why it's shown like this. So let's change the background color to be blue, and also make this blue, and for the text let's make this like white and click update. I think this will fix the problem. So let's open this in a new tab. Okay, great. So let's copy this URL and go to our opt-in page. So let's go to all pages, and this is the opt-in page. So let's open it in a new tab. And inside this squeeze page, we need to make sure that the form is redirected into, or when someone signs up, they are redirected into the thank you page. So under the redirect settings, I have set up this opt-in page using Kadence Plugins in another video. I'll be leaving a link for this video down below. So let's click here and search for ebook sales, and let's choose this page and let's click update and let's view the page. So this is the opt-in. Now let's try to test this flow itself. So I'm adding a name here and the email address. I will click get the checklist now. Great, I'm redirected into this thank you page where I'm upsold buy an ebook. So I just click buy the ebook for $7 now, and this is the thank you page, or the checkout page. Sorry, I'll just add my name here and also an address, and I will just click place order now, and voila, I'm redirected into a thank you page for the order itself, where I have the order summary and also the ebook. So this is how easily you can set up a hidden sales funnel inside your opt-in page or lead generation page that can add additional revenue for your online business. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and like the video to help me spread out the word, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me during my 100-day challenge to create a video for YouTube every single day for 100 days. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.